Do you have lots of these items in your sewing room? You've either been gifted them or you've picked them up in sewing kits in estate sales or the thrift store or whatever. You don't use this kind of stuff anymore, but it is kind of cool. Like 49-cent pockets, 29 cents mend a pocket. And look at this one. Patent in 1901. Anyways, I love this stuff and I don't want it to go missing, so I'm going to show you what I do with it, and yeah, hopefully it inspires you to keep this stuff around too. Okay, so this is what I did. And bear with me, this is the first time I've done it, so let's take this one for instance. It is actually what it is. It still has a pocket inside. I just love the packaging. Like it's what's made in Canada anymore. I can't throw this out. So this is what I did. I scanned it on the computer so I can use it whenever I want. You can print it out on whatever you want. And I did that with all of them. So there's my iron on it, my pocket, and that's what it looks like printed. I also did the backs of these, because that's where you find some pretty cool information. How neat is that? If you're into journaling at all, I think this is the way to go. Like, you could print that out on lined paper, you could make it into a pocket in your book, or in the snaps. I put them all together so you can print and cut out whichever one you want. Like, it looks like it's the actual piece with a little bit of shadowing. So when I was doing that, I found something else that I thought would be interesting, because I never want to use them, because once you use them, they're gone for good, right? So let's see what I did with them here. Right here, how about that? Where do you use that? Still in the packaging? I have a hard time with that. Anyways, so what did I do with that? Same thing. I scanned it. And what else did I have? Oh. I don't know what it is about badges. I just love the stitch work on them. And once again, once you use it, it's gone for good, right? If you're into paper crafts at all, I think this would be pretty neat. Anyways, that's all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed that. I do plan on putting these as free printables on my website. So make sure you go check it out, and if you think you could use them, help yourself. Have a great day. Bye for now.